Hi, so this is another problem. Show that point -1, -1 is the midpoint of a segment whose endpoints are -6, -4, and 4, 2. So I'll be showing the graph. So this is your graph. So as you can see, it's the midpoint. So to prove that point -1, -1 is really the midpoint of that line segment, we have to use your midpoint formula. So again, this is your midpoint formula. So you just have to substitute the values. So it doesn't really matter what your point 1 and 2 is. So for me, I want this as my point 1, and I want this as my point 2. So let's substitute. So midpoint is x1. So my x1 is -6 and my x2 is 4. So that's -6 plus 4 divided by 2. Next, we have here y1 is -4, y2 is 2. So this will be -4, y2 is, so simplifying it further, -4 plus 4 is -2. And -4 plus 2 is also -2. So you can now prove that -1 is your midpoint because -2 divided by 2 is -1. Same is true here. It's -2 divided by 2 is -1. So that's it. Bye.